At House Designer, we've transformed the way gardens are designed. Traditional garden designs can feel time-consuming and costly. We make it simple, professional, and completely online. How can we design your garden without stepping foot on your property? The answer is simple. Technology allows us to bring your outdoor vision to life. You'll start by sharing photos, videos, and measurements of your garden, along with your style preferences. Whether you're dreaming of a low-maintenance space, a family-friendly garden, or a complete landscape makeover, our expert designers are here to help. Our team then creates bespoke layouts, planting plans, and 3D visuals so you can see exactly how your garden will look before the first plant is in the ground. You'll have the chance to review your garden, collaborate with your designer, and request changes until everything feels just right. And when your final design is complete, you'll receive a professional planting scheme and a detailed construction plan. You're now free to get the best quotes from builders and contractors. Or, if you're taking the DIY route, you've got the perfect starting point to bring your garden to life yourself. With House Designer, your dream garden is just a click away. Beautifully designed, tailored to you, and ready to build. Start your garden design journey today.